Listen. I get the point. I get point. Okay. I have the major and very significant question. So let I ask you the question first. So this regenerative braking system versus the hybrid, and even you can consider it as the self-charging technology. So the regenerative braking versus the self-charging technology, who will win the match when they are included in the energy efficiency? The first tell me then energy efficiency. Oh God, what are you asking the question? First should have to improve your English and then ask me. But I got your point, but so I will say the answer. So there we got the regenerative braking system that who can be win the match. When we matches them together by the grid to grid in a row, because this regenerative braking has a more efficiency than a self-charging technology. So that's point. You can look for. I think, but in a reality, in upcoming future perspective, I would not say the reasonable breaking can be win the match because we got the many issues with it because we are not perfect at the moment to store and regenerate the energy from the vehicle running. But the self-charging side, we are able to get the efficient energy from the momentum of a vehicle and store it immediately to use the instant. So your point is not much relevant at the point at the moment at this moment because my English is broken, I know, but I'm explaining the every factor clearly without hesitate because I'm hesitating. I know it's my point. It's my bad. It's my issue. But I would say that everything is much better than the we think. The concepts are new. There are no problem. We can be compatible with it the soon or later. So yours, as per your statement, the regenerative braking isn't a joke, but it's made the most dramatical joke now. It's okay. It's fine to have questions that you are giving us the statement. It's not perfect once. Nowadays we get the points from the fake engineers that who the claiming the regenerative braking is not perfect at the moment by their little smoky knowledge. So yeah, I got your point, brother, but it's not fine that you are explaining me without having the degree. Degree doesn't matter. I know everything is fine, but first you must have to explain me why you are stating that point about the regenerative braking cannot be in the match. This is not fair because regenerative braking are much have integrated in every vehicle and every company is looking for. So why are you thinking that like? First tell me the explanation with the ideal factor. I got your points that I must have to explain once. But you should not have to state that about the fake engineers because every engineer are fake as per their the knowledge because they got the more information than the normal engineers cannot be have once. So that's one. But you are telling you just like you have told me, I must have to explain you why the regenerative braking is a disadvantage for us. So I will take that answer is the regenerative braking. Look here. There are the many issues with the regenerative braking. The regenerative braking is mechanically loses the more energy when they brake themselves. They loses the more electricity by the braking and they can now store the more and more volume and more our energy in the battery. They can recharge it fully. They just recharge only for the little tiny time. So that's the major issues in efficiency. So always in engineering, we're talking about the efficiency and reliability. So reliability isn't in our regenerative braking, but we got in a self-charging technology. We got now, like we haven't the like everything that we always looking for in our every concept in our future. But always you spot that point and you humiliate me every time, brother. That's not fair. I have done my and I have cleared my point. So that's all because self-charging always depends on a base output. This giving the best output, the energy and the braking. It doesn't charge our vehicle for the tiny time. It charges the vehicle for the full time. And it's the reliable and more efficient than the regenerative braking. That's the point why I'm explaining it. Please don't humiliate the again, brother. I'm not ideal, I know, but yeah, that's okay. Let me drink water. Okay, little engineer, I look for it. I know, I got your point, and you explained much better than you have ever explained before. So, I got your point. There are no efficiency in regenerative braking, and there are no sense to we get this we get this the mechanism further. So I got this point, and I always looking for the self-charging technology. But why you are the forcing me and marketing that the self-charging technology? Your propaganda is much better than all the politicians because that's okay. It's fine to be have promotions by your mouth. It's okay. We can look for We will be look for the self-charging technology in the future for the not now. So that's okay, it's fine. We got the little engineers, fake engineers, some of engineers are not better than Elon Musk. Oh God, little peoples cannot understand the proper engineering perspective, so I must have to leave from here. Wait, where are you going? I'm going to washing the dishes, brother. What? Engineer can wash the dishes? That's a good point. I will tell to my friends.